Hi everyone, welcome to A World of Colour with Prism, the brand new range from HunkyDory Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your pearlescent powders just by mixing them with water to create really cool sprays. So our spray bottles from the Premier Craft Tools range are perfect for doing this technique. So what I've done is we've added some of the mica pearlescent powders to some water in our spray bottles, and you'll just be able to see underneath how the mica is just all settled on the bottom there. When we give this a shake, you will see all of that powder mixing with that water and creating almost like just a pearlescent water. It's just incredible. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we've already bottled all ours up, labelled them all up so we know which one's which, and we can just keep these until they run out. The one thing you don't want to have to be doing is pouring it away. You know, you want to keep this and then you've got it whenever you need it. So, because we're spraying with these, we're spraying with the mica and the water, we're going to get a spray station. So this is just an A4 plastic box. I put a piece of cardstock in the bottom of here because what we can actually do is create some pretty cool backgrounds around our cardstock. So I'm going to do two. I'm going to do a white one and I'm going to do a black one, so you can see the different effects on the different colour cardstocks. And I'm just going to take a few different colours, so make sure you've shaken them up really well so all that mica is floating around in the spray. And I'm going to get our silver, our shimmering silver. I'm going to go with this one first of all. So really make sure you've given it a good shake, and then I'm just going to spritz onto our cardstock. Okay, so that's the silver. So quite pale, nothing too crazy going on with this one. Then I'm going to go with our sparkling sapphire. So this is our beautiful shade of the blue here. And I'm going to add that over the top. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the purple panache as well. Just going around here, there. So what happens is you get different size droplets. You can, of course, if you want to, go in and do your sprays a little bit closer up. You get a little bit more intense colour in certain areas. You can do them further away and you'll get even more of a dust. So the option's there for you depending on what you want to do. If you do end up with a little bit too much water on there, just a little bit of kitchen roll and just hold it by where the water, the excess water is, and it will just scoop up any that we don't want on there. But what happens is it creates these really cool backgrounds. So you can see there, it gives you that sort of paint splattered effect in the background, but it also creates almost like a masked effect underneath. So there's the black one. So you see a lot more of the shimmer on the black once that's dry. But look what we've also created in the box. We have almost like we've masked off an area, created that cool background. You could add a sentiment in here or a topper, you know, anything like that, maybe some stamps, and you've got really cool background effects. So just have a play, make sure you've got your spray station because it does get everywhere. You can do it outside if that makes you feel a bit better about it, but lots of super cool backgrounds. I do hope that you've enjoyed this technique. It is a fabulous one. There's loads more though, so stay tuned, and I can't wait to see what you do with your pearlescent powders.